Wait, look at the.
I say don't go to flipping forest. There's a flipping volcano, bro. Spicy.
There's a volcano.
Hey, where?
Yo, bro. Nah, I could use my 5,000 shiny rocks later, bro. I could buy this. But I wasted it on the rainbow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. You read it?
Can someone help my arm? Can someone help my arm?
Yo, that's some big risk. These are all the
Can
cosmetics.
someone help my arm? Can someone help my arm?
This,
Can someone help my
which
arm?
this which is bad.
Can someone help my arm? Can someone help my arm?
What is this?
Ching ching ching
What
ching.
is this?
Ew, these are disgusting.
What is this?
Who said that? He's gotta die.
These are
Sitting.
disgusting.
Ooh.
Ew, what are these cosmetics?
I don't know how to use this. Ooh. It looks like a
The only good thing is
rock. Meh.
my god.
So yeah, I had this.
Oh, it's your turn. Can someone help my
It does
arm?
nothing.
Mom, help my arm.
This is erupting. I go like this.
Heck is this?
Shoot fire.
Can someone help my arm? Oh, I already know someone's
Hammer.
gonna do this and say, "Hey guys,
I have
am
this.
4-person VR." Guys, I'm 4-person VR.
Wait.
Let's someone help
So
my arm, please.
Right now.
and these.
Someone's gonna do the poor thing.
Hi guys, I am 4-person VR. I don't like the lava mechanic. This is kind of let down.
What the hell are you?
Yo, if you didn't know, lava rises in forest.
You stay away from me.
Yup. Get rid of this. Among Us. So, this.
Can someone help my arm, please?
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
Literally.
Oh my god.
Bad.
I've never seen such a beauty.
Moving umbrella.
It is.
It says moving
Do
inside.
you think there's gonna be a
That's it. That's it.
These actually look amazing. Oh my god.
Jesus.
All of
Bro.
these are so good.
How much do I have?
This is a set.
I have
Okay, I'm full.
6,000.
I have 15,000.
Hey guys, I'm 4-person VR and I just joined.
I'm waiting for some content creators to get on so I can make them.
Oh, well, that's too bad.
This. That's it. I think I
Good,
missed.
pretty bad.
That's epic.
But
There's gonna be exclusive stuff tomorrow.
there's a new update in
So
World
that's
Tag.
epic.